2022 Powerwagon. Look at this thing. 37s, lifted, just a fat truck. Wow, that is a beautiful truck. Custom winch, all that good stuff on it. Let me show you guys. Custom lift, Fox suspension. Nice. Anyways, let me show you what we've done on it. Factory converter. I don't know where the other one is. Right beside it, right there. So 2 factory converters, then it wires into a single there. Then 3-inch pipe. Out the back, we did a muffler delete on it. So we fully straight piped it. There's the muffler right there. There's the tailpipe. And then we did a resonator delete also. And installed a fat 6-inch black tip out the back right there. Look at that. Clean, nice. Just came out beautiful. There's the muffler that was on it. There's the resonator that was on it. And that tailpipe right there. We took them all off. All right. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Oh, that sounds phenomenal. And we got the doors closed, so it sounds even better. There's sound decibels. 120. What a beast. 6.4 liter Ram Powerwagon. Sound decibels again, and yeah, 120, that's crazy. There's the idle. Even gas? Yes, that's like shaking my chest. Sounds so good. I like it. What do you guys think? You like it? Let me know in the comments. It sounds phenomenal. Got a nice look, stance to it. That 6-inch tip fits it perfectly. It's cold outside, guys. 14 degrees today. It's the coldest day of the year. Polar vortex. Let me let you guys hear on the inside. Gonna get a supercharger for it next, which I don't blame him. I would too. Make it even more of a beast. What a hoss. I like it. What do you think? You like it? Again? What a throaty truck, man. This sounds phenomenal. I should have got a Powerwagon. But mine needs to be 1,000 horsepower. Another beautiful job done at Exhaust Addicts. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy.